this week. How the preparations gone so far?
No, it's been really good. Good to get all the lads together again. We've had 2 good days on the grass now. Plenty of meetings, to go over the game plan. But it's a good buzz around the place. I think we're all looking forward to get the campaign underway on Monday now.
Fresh faces in the squad this time round, and obviously the due window as well.
Yeah.
How important has everyone been in terms of setting each other in?
It's been great. We've got a good core of the group. So I'm hoping, everyone's settled in, and I feel like we've included the new lads, really well. Obviously the March camp with a few new faces, the June camp and now this camp as well. But it seems like everyone's really gelling together at the right time, ready to get in the way.
In terms of intensity in the camp, has the preparations changed at all in terms of it being a friendly in June and obviously a bit more serious in terms of qualifying now on Monday?
Yeah, I think obviously there's a bit more pressure, more attention to detail. But I do think in the June camp and the March camp, there was that internal pressure of wanting to perform, wanting to do well. So we're coming into the campaign, with a bit of momentum. But yeah, the training intensity has been top throughout, I think.
How important have them friendlies been as well? Because they've been against like Norway, Andorra, Sweden, top teams are going to provide competition. They're going to send up hopefully what's going to be a tough campaign as well.
Yeah, no, it's been good to test ourselves against some good teams. Obviously, didn't go as we planned against Norway last time out, but I think we've learned a lot from that. Not just tactically, but I think us as players, behaviours. So I think it's all put us in good stead now, ready for Monday.
From a personal point of view, I guess you're in quite a good place. You're doing well on loan, performing well. So I suppose mentally and physically you're probably in a good place this camp.
Yeah, no, I'm feeling good personally. It's been a good loan, been some ups and downs as you'd expect from a first loan really. But no, I've learned plenty out there. I feel like I'm improving, gaining valuable experience, which is important, especially for the role I'm in. Hopefully I can bring that to the team now this week.
3 keepers in the squad as well.
Yeah.
Healthy competition. How would you sort of all gel and bond throughout the week?
No, I obviously met Luke last camp. He's a great kid, and obviously I've worked with Kit for a number of years now. And the standard those two bring in training is it's brilliant. There's a good group. Glyn working with all of us. The trainer's top draw, and I think we're just going to get the best out of each other.
It's quite a unique position as well as a goalkeeper because you might not be starting, but it only takes one injury, one moment, and you've got to be ready to step up to the plate.
Yeah, exactly. So no matter if you're starting, no matter if you're on the bench, even third choice, you've got to be switched on because you never know what can happen. Anything can change from day to day. So yeah, we're all working hard, ready for Monday now.
Just touching on Glyn, how much of an impact has he had on you? I know you're only there for a short period
Yeah.
of the year, but with someone with the experience of Leicester City, he's quite good to work with, I guess.
No, he's been brilliant. Coming in from the March camp, he's got a different point of view on some stuff, which has been really refreshing to hear. And he's instilled some really good habits in me that I've tried to take over back to club level as well. So work with him has been a privilege, and no, I'm really enjoying it.
On the game on Monday, Denmark obviously made the trip to Rodney Parade. Just what do you sort of expect from Denmark on Monday?
We expect them to be aggressive. They've got good players. They're a good side. So we'll expect them to really come out of the blocks fast, as we will. So I think it's about using the home advantage at Rodney Parade and really focusing on what we do well to take the game back to them and really stamp our authority on the game.
You mentioned the home support there. Just how much does that give you as players as a boost really?
No, it's huge. It's massive for us. The support last campaign grew game to game, and there's a real good buzz around the 21s, it felt like. So we're hoping it'll be the same this campaign now and really give us that extra push to go and qualify.
And finally, obviously it was quite a positive campaign last time out, obviously far from the result in the Czech Republic, but how much confidence can you take from the last campaign, especially from a personal level, into the start on Monday now? Yeah,
massively. We've got a lot of lads in this campaign now who played a big role in the last campaign. So that experience, I think, will only put us in good stead now going forward. And, from a personal level, playing in that last campaign, I learned so much from just being a part of it, the pressure of it, the older, more experienced players. Hopefully I can sort of be one of those players now to the younger ones stepping up and really help us drive on.